So every year Porsche started about 2 years ago. We did it last year with the 1987 Turbo. So Porsche has a restoration challenge. What we do is we get a older Porsche, it has to be 996 or older, and we have to make it back to factory as it was new leaving the showroom that day. So this year we got the speed yellow 996 Turbo. It was a local car, but had some modifications done to it. Obviously you can see the leather dash has some issues. So Jim and the team here, we've ordered how many dollars worth of parts so far we're at?
We're at $5,500 already.
So 55. He's being conceited. But overall, but overall, I think it's like $16,000 with the parts that we're getting.
Correct.
So $5,000 worth of parts have arrived.
Everything hasn't made it here yet.
So every year we restore it back to as brand new as possible. I think last year we would have won with our 88, 87 Turbo, but we sold it before the actual competition. And the customer agreed to do it with us, but when he realized how much he loved the car, he didn't want anyone to see it. He put it away and it's stored away, and he won't tell us where it's at. But it happened. So this year we are not selling it until after the competition. But we ordered the factory wheels. We're going to take off the GT2 replica wing, get a factory wing. I think Jim quoted me crazy amount of money on the actual motor part of it because common problems, the hydraulics go bad. But we're really excited to get this done, so keep up on our Instagram, social media. We'll probably do another show again with just this vehicle being actually done. So since you guys are here today, get a good look at it, see how it is now, and then hopefully by August, I think we should be completed with this project, and then obviously it will be for sale. That restoration challenge does come with a lot. If this car does end up making it to the finals, and you do buy it, it'll be in the Porsche, magazines, all over their website about the restoration challenge. You can hashtag Porsche Restoration Challenge 22 on any social media, and you can see all the other stores. I think we're the only speed yellow in the competition. I think there's a few nice 993 turbos that are in the competition as well. But it's really exciting that Porsche does that with all the dealerships, but not all of them join the actual challenge. So Frank was like, let's do it again for year 2, so we got into it. But I'm really excited. I think Jim and the team here are really doing a great job on ordering parts, getting things done, and then hopefully it turns out like new and we win the competition and maybe get a few more GT3s allocations for everyone so we can fill those slots and orders in, I could say. And then, but that's pretty much it. This is our 996 challenge car.